Hi, my name's Adam Dixon. I'm the owner of Get Real Secure, Security Screens and Doors, and I'm based in Brisbane. I've been in the security industry for the last 25 years. What's different about me than a lot of other people is I have complete hands-on. I'll always come out to site and will fit the product to the customer's specifications and to the industry standard. When the customer contacted me, they'd had an attempted break-in, unfortunately. So I was able to get around here quite quickly and secure all of downstairs with the Prowler Proof ForceField product and upstairs, but also we used a fall prevention screen where it was less accessible, which was the Guardian product. So one of the key features for the client was that we could use oversized doors without any mid-rails to obstruct the view, and being a Prowler Proof product, all the doors are fully welded to help their strength and integrity. So for all the screen doors downstairs on the sliding doors and upstairs on the hinge doors, we use Lockwood 3-point triple lock. The sliding doors downstairs have an extended striker that is unique to Prowler Proof. By using the Prowler Proof product, we can offer the homeowner the maximum airflow by also making sure that the house is fully secure. This home, although it does look modern, was originally an old Queenslander that was renovated. I had to make all of the doors upstairs custom made out of square to combat through that challenge. Using aluminium security doors has its challenge. Unfortunately, not like timber, we cannot plane the doors down, so we have to make the doors to suit the opening. Prowler Proof can offer all of our doors to be custom made and out of square. I like to use the Prowler Proof product because of the end result. They have a number of key features which are not available throughout the industry, including concealed interlocks, which means that everything looks seamless and no screws are showing. I use the Prowler Proof Guardian product upstairs where it's not easily accessible, then that makes sure that it met the fall prevention requirements. So I've been a Prowler Proof dealer for the last 10 years now. It's definitely the most superior product on the Australian market by far. The results, as you can see from this job, are far more superior than any other products out there. I've always choose Prowler Proof. They're a market leader and they're a great company to be a part of.
We had Prowler Proof installed after an attempted break-in. As a family, we feel so much more secure now, knowing that we can have downstairs open and have airflow, and be upstairs knowing that we're safe. I contacted Adam through Get Real Secure, who responded quickly and was at our place within a couple of days. We had an install within 3 weeks, and he was very prompt and installed our security within 2 days. I would highly recommend him to family and friends. It's been one of the best investments moving into a new home. We had no screens. We wanted to put in screens, and yeah, it's been the best investment we could ever have done.